Hello everyone, I'm your Spanish teacher, Spanish tutor, Frank. In this video I'm going to explain some grammar exercises based on Colegas 1 for chapter 7, Spanish 3. So I hope I can help you with that for your exam so you can prepare yourselves. First I'm going to introduce some grammar aspects, then I will give you some examples, and finally we're going to practice. We will focus on tener que. Tener means to have. If you want to express obligation or a need, you use que. Therefore, tener que. One of the examples is I have to study. Tengo que estudiar. So we form I have to study with tengo que estudiar. Don't forget that we use que after the word tener if we want to express a need or an obligation. One thing you should always remember is that the only verb that we conjugate is tener. For example, yo tengo, tú tienes, él, ella, usted tiene, nosotros tenemos, vosotros tenéis, ellos tienen. Another factor that you should always remember is that when you say tengo que, after the word que, you use an infinitive verb in Spanish. For example, tengo que estudiar, or ella tiene que estudiar. If you notice, after que, there is an infinitive verb, estudiar. She has to study. It's the same as in English. So now that you know how to use tener que plus infinitive, I would like to show you how to combine it with other frequency adverbs. For example, por la mañana. I will show you one example. Por la mañana, a veces tengo que correr para poder coger el autobús. So, sometimes I have to run in the morning to get the bus. The translation doesn't have to be literal, but the word that we want to focus on in this example is por la mañana, in the morning. If you notice, por la mañana tengo que correr, then in the morning I have to run to get, or you can say correr, to run, and that's the infinitive form. If you want to say, for example, en la tarde, we also use it the same way. En la tarde means in the afternoon. En la tarde tengo que estudiar. And if you see, que estudiar is the form that I was referring to in the first part. Por la tarde o en la tarde tengo que estudiar.